Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to be live on Instagram. If you want to talk with your friends and family in a live conversation, this video is for you. First, go ahead and open Instagram on your mobile device. Then you'll see many options at the bottom of your screen. Go ahead and tap on your profile icon. Then you'll see a plus button on your profile. Go ahead and tap on it. Then open your camera. Then at the bottom of your screen, you'll see many options like post, story, reel, then live. Go ahead and tap on live. Just go ahead and tap on it. Then you'll be live on Instagram. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next time.